Welcome to the first solo show by Damianski, Magenta Elephants, here at Office & Part. Damianski, who lives in New York, is an artist who works mainly in the browser, how he describes himself. In his conceptual work, he deals with themes such as power, poetry, and participation, and often explores the concept of apps as artworks. In this show here with us, Damianski presents a new series of works dealing with object detection in computer-based vision. He explores the idea of presence and absence by replacing objects with bounding boxes and inviting the viewer to question boundaries of identity and perception. As part of the show, Damianski has created a new app called Self-Portrait. By opening it, it states that its camera only works when Damianski is in the picture. If you catch the artist in person with a camera, the space in which his persona is detected is blank. With this work, using object detection software programmed on an individual, Damianski questions what we really see when lens-based technology comes into and in between our true reality. Damianski goes even further with his new sculptures from the series that can be seen in the exhibition space. We see hollow frames and labels with indications on what we should see or what we are supposed to see. As Charlotte Kent, the art theorist, says in a very strong text about this exhibition, the image is an idea, a phrase, a picture, and do any of those images mean more, do more, show more than the other? We ask ourselves, how does the group of elephants look like? Are they a reference to the elephant parade of Disney's Dumbo or the pink elephant syndrome? What has Damianski's cat to do with the ceiling cat from Eva and Franco Mattes from 2016, responding to the internet meme? The space is filled with hybridity. We see sculptures, chairs, more animals, and even the artist himself. What does it tell us? What if the object that the internet has learned to detect are not part of our reality? What if we have to question collective intelligence? In a similar way, the series Unhuman Composition, a participatory project based on generative photography, plays with abstraction of realities as well. Built in 2022, Damianski created a decentralized app that one can open in a browser at Unhuman XYZ. Each abstraction is generated when the user takes a photo with his phone camera. The final abstraction of a very personal moment or scene can be collected and set into eternity on the blockchain and minted as NFT. The edition of 777 is supplemented here in the show by a few physical wall objects that depict the personal moments of the artist himself. Again, the exhibition examines on various levels the boundaries of identity and perception in digital times. The show Magenta Elephants runs until July 12th, and if you have the chance, don't miss to stop by.